Hello guys! Ito po ang inyong likod, si Master J Rider. And guys, for today's video, as you can see, ito nasa hotel kami ng aking mga bulilits again.
We're going to Hong Kong tomorrow.
Sinabi niya agad.
Aray ko.
With my bulilits. Yan. Papahinga muna kami dito sa Savoy Hotel. So guys, ito lang do sa tapat ng Terminal 3. At pupunta daw kami saan?
Hong Kong.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Hong Kong.
This time, out of the country kami. Travel kami to Hong Kong. For si Commander-in-Chief.
First time leaving the Philippines.
Excited daw sila. Excited kaya?
Yeah.
Pero matulog muna kaya. Guys, pero tulog muna kami. Kasi ayaw ko naman magbiyahe ng madaling araw, no, from province. Tapos straight to airport, you know. Fly agad. Kaya nag-decide ako na mag-check-in muna kami dito. At least ito, tatawid lang. Airport na. Tapat lang to ng NAIA Terminal 3, guys. So guys, pahinga muna kami. See you tomorrow. Ciao. Hello guys. Ito, ready na kami. Good morning. Ito, ready na yung mga
It's
bulilits.
middle of the night.
Yes. We are now going sa
Hong Kong?
airport.
Airport. Tapos yung time, AM pa.
2:42.
AM
Guys,
pa.
ang flight namin is around past 5. So, kaya ganitong oras kami pupunta. Much better na 3 hours before. Nandun ka na. At first time nila mag-travel outside the country. So, excited sila lahat, guys. So, guys, dito kayo mamaya. Ciao. Hello, guys. Dito na kami sa lobby. Check out.
Okay na to.
Okay na. Thank you.
May transportation na ba tayo?
Meron na. May kotse. Tara. Ready na kaya? Ready na kaya? Ate?
My second time riding an airplane.
Huh? Riding? Ba tayo dun sa bus mo? Okay guys. Maaga pa kasi no? Para tahimik. So dyan lang kami sa kabila. Hello. Guys, baba kami sa basement.
Basement.
Nandun yung aming service.
This is
Si ate, oh. Ano? Early in the morning, birds. Guys, ito na kami sa airport. Departure. LD. Ready na sila. Phone, itago.
we are now in the elevator. Hi, mommy.
going to
Departure.
Departure. LD. Go.
Guys, departure. Guys, ito na kami sa Laia Terminal 3. Ayan. So guys, no, so pila muna kami sa travel tax. Babayad ng tax or travel bago kami mag-check-in. So guys, ang airline na flight na kinuha namin is Cebu Pacific going to Hong Kong. Ayun si mami nakapila. Kami. Sila ang travel tax. Wait lang natin si mami bago tayo mag-check. Babayad lang si mami ng travel tax.
How much?
Parang ang bigat ng bag mo.
It's the same structure as
Guys, okay na yung travel tax ni Nani.
pag kids, 800, 810. Pero sa atin, 160.
Kaya nakapagbayad na guys si mami ng travel tax. Proceed na kami sa check-in counter Cebu Pacific. Hello guys, ito mag-check-in lang kami. Kami. Konti na lang guys. Kanina nandun kami sa dulo. Maraming tao ngayon. So guys, update ko mamaya after namin mag-check-in. Hello guys, ito update. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Nakalupit na yung mga baby. Yan si mami, clear na siya sa immigration. Clear na kami. So we are now proceeding to our
flight.
boarding games. Pero kakain muna ako kami.
Yeah, because we are hungry, we did not eat breakfast.
Success yung mga babies. We are now going to eat first and then straight to our boarding gates. Going to Hong Kong. What's that? Mango?
I saw dried mango. I used to eat those when I was 5.
What? Dito kumakain si Daddy. Ate! Mami! Ayan yung CR dyan. CR mo na kaya? Yung guys, mag-restroom muna sila, bathroom. Update ko kayo mamaya guys. Yung guys, tapos na kami, boarding gate na.
Flight CX976 to Hong Kong. Please board now through gate 115. Thank you.
So, sakto lang yung oras na. It's boarding. Mamaya, Hong Kong na si baby.
Camila Alessandra
Hello,
Navarro,
guys.
Perasol Mata, and Miss Marian Salas of Cathay Pacific
Boarding na kami.
Flight 976 to Hong Kong. If you're around, please board down through gate 115. This is your final
I
call
got
on the
dried
boarding.
mangoes and water.
Try to mix. Clear na, boarding na. Dito. Happy na si baby ah. Okay guys. Happy na si baby. Sasakay ulit siya ng plane.
The airplane is bigger by the one in Boracay.
Yes. This is international flight.
Final call for Miss Marian Salas. Once again, Miss Marian Salas of Cathay Pacific Flight CX976 to Hong Kong. If you're around, kindly board now through gate 115.
First time in Internet.
First time.
They have a plane like this. Do they close the door and take off?
Everything is closed. Kami magkatabi ni Jocelyn. Ito ka kay mami. Si mami yung katabi mo. Guys, lapit na. Ay, sorry po.
Hi, good morning. 8B, first aisle on your left, sir. Hi, good morning.
Bebe, there's a number on top. Here. Mami dito. Yung bag niya dito sa taas.
Ay, sira na naka-raise na yun. Ano yun?
Hmm? Kunin nyo na yung mga kukunin nyo. Bago ko ilagay.
In my defense, I have none. Never leaving well enough.
guys, ito na kami. Board na kami ng plane going to Hong Kong. Happy baby.
Yeah.
Spot. Okay guys, kita na kayo mamaya. Guys.
Look, it's so big.
Please stand by for a comfort bedienen kabelized guest free. May switch on or individual reading lines. Thank you.
Si ate.
Hi.
2022, domestic sa Boracay.
Guys, taxi na kami. Preparing for our takeoff. I'm gonna take off as soon as after turning.
Cabin crew to take off stations.
And then, guys, take off na.